Hi, let us now practice on how to multiply and divide decimals by tens, hundreds, and thousands. Let's start with whole numbers. Let's have 34 times 10. That means we will move the decimal point to the right side by 1 unit. So because 34 is a whole number, the decimal can be found on the last number to the right side. So we will multiply it by 10, so meaning we will just move it 1 unit to the right side. Therefore, our answer is 340. Example number 2. 240 multiplied 1000. Therefore, this will be, by moving the decimal point 3 units to the right, we'll get 240,000. So far, so good. Let's try example number 3. For number 3, let's have a 4.3 multiplied by 10. Because the decimal point is between 4 and 3, we just need to multiply it by 10, and moving the decimal point 1 unit to the right side gives us the product of 43. How about number 4? 8.70 multiplied by 1000. Again, we will move the decimal point, this time 3 units to the right because we are multiplying it by 1000. Sometimes we associate the number of times we move the decimal point depending on the number of zeros. Because this has 3 zeros, it means we will be moving the decimal point 3 units as well. So that will give us an 8,700. For our last example, what if we have 0.0326 multiplied by 100? Therefore, we will just move the decimal point 2 units to the right. So that will give us a 3.26. Let us now proceed to division. For number 1, let's have a 61 divided by 10. If in multiplication, we move the decimal point 1 unit, 2 units, or 3 units depending on the number of zeros to the right, for division, we will move the decimal point this time to the left side. So that means if we're going to divide it by 10, we only move the decimal point 1 unit to the left. And the decimal point of 61 is always on the right side of the 1 digit. So by moving it 1 unit to the left, our answer will be 6.1 or 6 and 1/10. Example number 2, if we have a 320 divided by 1000. So this time, we will be moving the decimal point 3 units to the left. So that will give us a 0.320, or we can simplify this as 0.32 hundredths. Another example, we'll have an 8.7 divided by 10. What do you think is our answer for number 3? If your answer is 0.87, then you are correct. Another example for dividing decimal is a 0.255. divided by 10. So we will move the decimal point 1 unit again to the left. So that will give us a 0.0255. Let's have our next example. What if we have a 9.8 over 1,000? Remember that fractions like this are also associated to division. So this can be written as well as 9.8 divided by 1,000. Therefore, our answer is just 0.0098. Again, for division, we will just move the decimal point depending on the number of zeros that we have. If it's tens, we will just move it 1 unit, 100, 2 units, and 1,000, 3 units. If it's multiplication, to the right. If it's division, to the left. Now, try these examples on your own. Prepare your notebook or paper and try to answer the following. Let's have number 1. 253.1 multiplied by 10. Answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is 2,531. Number 2, if we have a 0.6671 multiplied by 100. Try to solve. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. The correct answer is 66.71. Third example. What if we have a 28.28 divided by 10? What do we do with the decimal point? Yes, so we will move the decimal point 1 unit to the left. Our answer is 2.828. And for our last example, if we have a 0.30 okay, for a while, 3031 divided by 1,000. Yes, you're correct. Our answer here would be 0.00003031. Oops, let's rewrite that. Okay, how do we get our answer? Because we will be moving a decimal point 3 units to the left of the number. So our answer is 0.00003031. I hope we're able to practice and learn how to multiply and divide decimal by tens, hundreds, and thousands.